It's a bad man thing, yeah. Oh Lord of His mercy. Hey, His body, baby, oh. Hey, His body, baby, oh. Bulaka, it's a bad man thing.
Alright y'all, so the wig that I'll be reviewing today is from WowEbony. The wig came in this packaging right here. I already opened the box, took my wig out. I'm just going to show you guys all the little stuff that came with the wig. So they sent an elastic band. This is just to add to your wig for extra hold. They sent your little card here that you can earn cash back when referring, what is it? So you order your wig, you take a picture and put or a video, and you share it to Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, or whatever website you have, and you email them the link, and they will give you $30 cash back immediately by PayPal. So that's a quick little way you can earn some extra cash. That's really nice of them to do that. And also they sent me 2 wig caps. So the wig here, I'm gonna show you guys inside and out. This is what the wig looks like. All this is the lace area. The wig does come with the combs inside, so you can adjust it. I'm going to show you guys the combs right here. And on the wig itself, it has like all the details and specs on your wig. So this one is their lace front wig. It's their Indian Remy here. This is 12 inches. The color is natural color, cap size medium, and the hair density of this wig is 220. Okay, so I'm just going to tilt my head over, try the wig on. I want to try the wig on first before I do anything to it. This is what the wig is looking like. I haven't done any customization to it or nothing like of that sort. Okay, so the lace really did not come plucked at all. It's not a pre-plucked hairline, so you would have to go in and you know, customize it for yourself. What I'm gonna do, because I have, whoa, I'm fucking crazy right now. So what I'm gonna do, because I have already so many videos on how I customize my frontals, I'm gonna go pluck some baby hairs from the front of it off camera, and then I will list all my videos to how I pluck my frontals, customize my frontals down below. I just posted a video about two to 3 days ago on how I customize my frontals, so I will leave that listed either on the screen or down below in the description bar for you guys, so you guys can go check that out. And I'm gonna be right back. Okay, so I already went ahead and did a little customization on the front. I apologize if you guys do hear any extra noise outside right now. It's like pouring out there and thunder, like I'm scared. I'm just gonna lift back the lace right here. I'm gonna take my Got2b styling spray, and I'm just gonna like spray my forehead right there. And then I'm going to take some spritz. And you just want to take your blow dryer on cool and then like press it down. And then as usual, once I'm done laying my lace down, I take my MAC press powder. This is the skin finishing powder, and I just apply some of this in the roots of the hair itself. So like right there, to make that match with my skin tone. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my scissors and I'm just going to cut the little hairs here that I pulled out, which was the little hairs to make the baby hairs, not all of this, but like these little ones here that's on my forehead. Now that I'm done with laying down the lace and laying down the baby hairs, I'm just going to take my blow dryer and I'm just going to run it through the lace once more. Okay, I'm going to give myself a little pardon like that. I'm going to take some mousse. Although I don't really feel like I need it, I'm just going to take some mousse and add it to that parting spot. Try not to get your lace wet in the front wherever you applied the spray. I'm going to go back in with my pressed powder and lighten that parting spot. You ain't seeing nothing. Just like that. I'm just gonna take my spray bottle. I do have water and conditioner in here. I mix them both together and just shake up the bottle. And I'm just gonna drench the hair. This hair, you guys, is so soft. I love it. Okay, y'all, so literally now that I went ahead and drenched the hair, this hair is so beautiful and I haven't even done anything to it yet. Now I'm going to take some curling custard. This is the one that I'm going to be using. I will have it listed down below for you guys. And I'm just going to run my fingers through my hair with it. Like Tiana Taylor right now from Fade, that Faded video. Okay, so I'm gonna actually tuck, I like this piece here tucked behind my ears. You guys, so pretty much this is the final result of the hair. I've never done a wet and wavy look like this. This is like a really cute summer hairstyle that's really easy to do. You guys, I installed this hair within like 15 minutes. So the hair is really easy to style. What it takes for your hair to look like this is some damn water and leave-in conditioner. So even fresh out the box, like I told you guys, the hair did not come pre-plucked, so I did have to go in and pluck some of the hair myself. I will have the videos on how I customize my frontals and my units down below in the description bar. The hair is really inexpensive, it's cute. So far I have not gotten any shedding, any tangling. I would say that I love most about like having bob hair like this is that they're really low on maintenance. You don't really have to do much to it. Also, you can straighten this hair. You can curl it up, bone straight, do whatever you want to the hair. To be honest, curly hair like this is like my all-time favorite type of curly hairs, just because there's always so low on maintenance. All you really have to do to this hair, wet it, comb it out. Also, I would suggest using a brush like this if you are going to be combing out this unit. So apply some whatever custard or mousse that you have, any kind of curling cream, I would say apply it to the hair after you wet it, just so that it can tame the curls. So like right now I'm getting the wet and wavy look, but sometimes on these units itself, like especially these like short curly units, like you might be going for that wet and wavy look, but within like an hour or two your hair might be actually looking dry and wavy rather than wet and wavy. So not all the times like the products that you use will actually stay in the hair. I've been using this curling custard for a while now, and once I wet my hair and apply it to the hair, the curl texture stays, like it actually holds your curls. So this is like one of my new favorites styling custard, just for like my curly units itself. So for a unit like this, I would suggest getting a curling custard like this. I will have it listed, I'll actually show you guys once more, but I will have it listed down below for you guys. Definitely going to be one of my favorite summer wig from here on out. Like a really simple and easy hairstyle for the summertime, especially if you're lazy and you don't want to do too much to your hair. Yeah, if you're looking for a cute wig, whether you're going on vacation or just want a wig to rock outside in that heat, I would suggest something like this. Also, like I said, it's very low on maintenance, and yeah, the hair is bomb overall. I really don't have much else to say about the hair. I will have all the details listed down below on where you can purchase this hair and all the specs and what's not. Let me know in the comments down below how are you guys feeling this look, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. If you're not subscribed to my channel, definitely hit that subscribe button so you will not miss any of my uploads. And like I said, I'm gonna catch you guys in my next one. Bye.